Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So today's reading is for someone who needs to hear it at this time. If this is coming in your feed, then this video may have some insights or message for you. Okay, so this can be on any situation which no longer serves you. Okay, or you are feeling drained from that connection or that situation. So we will see what do the cards have, and we will also take some healing messages. So stay till the end. Let's see. We'll pick up the cards first and then we will see what kind of energies we are going through or dealing with. Okay. What are the messages from the angels and ancestors? One more. So let's get into your reading. So the first card came here as the Ten of Pentacles. I see there is growth coming in for some of you. I see it can be where you are carrying on a family legacy and you are doing your best to maintain it. I'm sorry. You're doing your best to maintain it. You may be having a joint family, a very big family where everybody lives together, and you are somewhere having so much of responsibility. Maybe for some of you, I see you may be an elder son or an elder daughter who is now given the responsibility to take care of everything and take the authoritative position in the family. For some of you, I also see, given you have given this responsibility, you are kind of analyzing the different aspects of the situation and try to see things from the different angles. And given there may be some people around you who may try to pull you down, but you do not have to focus on them. Rather, you have to focus on what responsibilities you are being given to, so that you can make the best out of it. And don't get into any kind of unnecessary conflicts. Try to keep yourself away from the disputes if it is of no importance, and it's just, it can be some of the nearby, it can be your close family members, close friends who may try to pull you down or create self-doubt or try to involve you in an argument or a conflict which is not going to serve you in any way. So try to keep yourself away. And also I see you need to focus on your responsibility, what has been assigned to you. You need to be very observant, analyze the situation, take the decisions after too much of careful consideration of the situation from different angles. There is a need for you to take slow and steady move. Okay, it should not be an impulsive action from your end. Rather, for you the advice here is to go slow. Okay, don't rush into anything, go slow, but be very mindful of the situation. If you try to indulge in any kind of unnecessary arguments or conflicts, it will not be for your highest good. Advice for you here again is to deal with the situation with so much of maturity, patience, love, care, that the other people do not get any opportunity to blame you or make you feel low or doubt your own worth. Okay, so that is what the message is. You are having pure intentions, but if you try to get into this conflict, then things will not work out for your own good. So the advice for you here is to deal with the situation with so much of maturity and with so much of mindful action you have to take. As I said, the angel ancestors guidance here is healing through the lineage. This has come under the 10 of Pentacles. I'm sorry. This has come under the 10 of Pentacles. So it's a confirmation that for some of you, it can be a family legacy, and now you are being given the responsibility to carry it forward. For some of you, it can be a healing which is required. You need to see if there is any unhealthy pattern being followed in your family or in your close circle which you need to change, and now you are given the responsibility if you can make things better for the coming generations and for your own generation to change for your good and for the future generation coming in. Okay, now and again it's the she wolf. It's like unleash the wild within. You need to, wherever there is a need, since if you are given this opportunity to take some responsibilities, you cannot be polite always. I'm saying trying to ignore getting into the conflicts or disagreements, but don't be afraid of speaking your truth. Don't be afraid of sharing your opinion and what do you think should be done in a particular situation. Sometimes all you need to do is to speak so that people can understand your perspective and try to see things from a different angle. It's a wise one. You need to grow within from your current situation. See, this situation of conflict may try to teach you something. Is it trying to teach you patience? Is it trying to teach you how to overcome uh, the issues by not letting your peace affected by it? So you need to see what is it that it is trying to teach you, and you need to deal with the situation in a very wise manner, in a very wisely manner. Another is the traveler card. Here again, it has come with the Knight of Pentacles. So it's like you need to move into a new direction. Maybe you are taking your family legacy to a different level by making certain changes or bringing something new which has not been done by the ancestors or the earlier generation, and now you are being guided to look things from a different angle. It can be you need to change your own perspective, or you need to make certain different decisions, you need to take certain choices you may have to make, which will be good for your own growth and for the growth of your family as a whole. Okay, the another guidance came is as a stack, trust and thrive. This has come with the strength card, which again says that you know you have the potential to deal with the different difficult situation. It's just that you do not have to give up on yourself. You just need to have trust that you can come out of this difficult situation with with the divine guidance, with the ancestors blessing. You have it all what you need. All you need to do is to trust yourself and move ahead fearlessly. Okay, wherever you need, you can always go and take guidance from the experienced people, from the senior members of the family, who can help you see and explain things to you to so that you can move ahead in a much better way with so much of clarity. It's like take a break. Sometimes this is a guiding message, it's an action card. So for you, given you are dealing with so much of responsibilities at a time, so for you the guidance here is take a break. It's a life work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. So you, if you have been overindulging yourself into things all focused on work and relations and not giving time to yourself, you are being advised to take some time off. So once your mind gets some rest and you make some space for your own self, you get so much of clarity to see things from a different angle, and you get so much of clarity to take a decision or to make a decision. Okay, so that is what the advice is. You need to take a break and give yourself some time. Also, you need to get grounded. You need to stay grounded. It's like empaths, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Sometimes take a break is, it can also be a small walk, without any music, no phones, no, not surrounding yourself with people. It's just you and the nature. So once you start spending time with nature, you will start seeing things changing in a positive way in your behavior, in your thinking patterns, in your health. You will start feeling more relaxed. Okay, so that is what you are being advised to do. The another action card is the ever unfolding rose. To cracked open, it's happening for you, not to you. If you're dealing with so much of difficult situation, so much of responsibility, so much of chaos around you where you're not clear on what is happening, don't worry, it's not happening to you, it's happening for you. Okay, so maybe right now you're not able to see the thing, but it is definitely going to turn out in your favor for your highest good, and you will see that you are able to make it through the difficult time, and people around you will definitely be applauding for you at the end. Okay, so do not give up, just keep going, and things will happen for your own good, for the highest good of you and those around. Okay, the another last card came for you is an inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of the inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. So as I said, once you start spending time in nature, you will start connecting with the nature, and it will make you feel so much of it will give you so much of peace. Okay, so that is what you need to do. And once you have mental peace, mental clarity, that is how you will see things in a from a much wider perspective, and it will give you so much of clarity to deal with the things in a much better way. Okay, so that was the reading, guys. Please do let me know if you have liked it. Please claim the positive energy. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. That will mean the world to me. Thank you.